Exploring the real South Africa. Hey, what up guys? It's your boy Nkululeko and welcome to another exciting episode of our travel series. Today we are in the city of Pietermaritzburg in South Africa and we are going to be exploring the famous Burger Street. Burger Street is one of the most beautiful streets in Pietermaritzburg. It has a rich history and amazing architecture that will leave you awestruck. So, if you are someone who is interested in learning more about South Africa and the African continent as a whole, then you have stumbled on our channel and hopefully you are going to find value in our content and this video. Then we invite you to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, that's if you enjoyed the video. As a bonus, you can just leave us a comment down below. By doing so, you'll be supporting us in our mission to provide high quality, informative and engaging content about this incredible part of the world. Your feedback and engagement motivates us to keep creating content that not only entertains but also educates. So please join us on this journey and let's explore the wonders of Africa together. Before we get started with our tour, let me tell you something. Contrary to what most people think, the infrastructure of South Africa is on par with other developed countries in the world, and Burger Street is an excellent example of that. In the 1800s, Burger Street was predominantly inhabited by white settlers and their families, with just a small Indian and a black community. But today the street has a much more diverse demographic makeup, with a significant Indian and a black population, as well as a growing number of immigrants from other African countries. The street is now a commercial and residential area with a mix of historical buildings and modern structures. Now, let's talk about the history of Burger Street. It was named after the famous South African politician and philanthropist, Thomas Francois Burger. He was the fourth president of the South African Republic from 1872 to 1877, and he played a significant role in the country's history. So mainly on this part of Burger Street, you find a range of properties here, like from your government offices to your private organizations, offices, as well, and businesses, like your lawyers, that type of thing. There's also private residence where families live. Also, there's a lot of socioeconomic population that lives here. They are renting on these properties. So I advise you to stick around because there's more to discover. But one of the main features of Burger Street is its unique architecture. So you will discover this as we proceed on our virtual tour. Many of the buildings date back to the late 19th centuries and early 20th centuries, and they represent a range of styles from your Victorian art to Art Deco. In fact, Burger Street is home to some of the best preserved Art Deco buildings in the country, which are a true feast to the eyes. I'm gonna add on just one more fun fact about Burger Street. It's the only street in South Africa that has 2 rows of London plane trees that are over hundreds years old. I've actually separated this video into 2 segments, part 1 and part 2. Basically on part 2, that's when you'll be able to see a proper live of these trees. These are the plane trees in London. These trees are not only adding to the beauty of the city, but they serve as a very good location to find a nice cool shade in the summer days. The second part of this video is mainly focusing on the residential areas that are on Burger Street, including the restaurants and other services that are also found on the street. And I didn't want to make this video too long, so that's why I actually decided to make it 2 segments. So hopefully you are finding value in this video, and you are going to continue to watch the second segment of this video. So I'm just going to wrap our tour of part 1 on this segment, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much. Hope to see you on the next video.